news, now look at the headlines. Goa Cricket Association suspends Sagun Kamat, Shekhar Salkar's committee to probe into the Kashinath Chari assault complaint. Mumbai Coast Guard team visit Goa shipyard, assures action against faulty captain. Don't commission the killer Coast Guard boat, demands trawler owner association. Small restaurants should be exempted from service tax, demands Goa Hotel and Restaurant Association. Strike of all restaurants on Monday. (9420456789). Bharat Gas launches gas cylinder booking number, available 24 hours every day. Online booking gets easier. And Resources Management of Mickey Pacheco organizes South Goa's only mega electronic dance music fest from 2nd May. 4-day event to attract tourists. Now the news in detail. Goa Cricket Association has suspended cricketer Sagun Kamat over alleged assault on fellow cricketer Kashinath Chari. The GCA has appointed an inquiry committee under chairmanship of Dr. Shekhar Salkar to probe into the assault case. If found guilty, Sagun could be banned as deemed fit by the GCA.
The alleged incident of assault by Sagun Kamat on Kashinath Chari was reported during a Premier League match between Dempo and Sunny Club. In Saturday's GCA Managing Committee meeting, the issue was discussed in detail, leading to suspension of Sagun.
आज तो सगुण कामत आणि काशीनाथ चारीचो एक सब्जेक्ट एजेंडा नासलो आणि मॅनेजिंग कमिटी युनियनिमसली डिसाइड केला की सगुण कामत तीक सस्पेंड केला सध्या आणि पेंडिंग इन्क्वायरी he will be suspended, and we have put one inquiry committee on him which will do the inquiry within 1 week, and they will give their report, and then the action will be taken afterwards. Inquiry committee in Dr. Salkar chairman gatla.
Suspension duration sir?
No, that will be decided only after inquiry. What action will take exactly means what will be his ban, what will be, that will be decided only after inquiry committee completes their inquiry.
And apart from this issue, any issues discussed?
आता आमचे selection चालू आहे, which will be, we are selecting about 40 boys from under 16, 40 boys from under 14, and out of that 30 भुरगे हे under 14 30 आणि under 16 30 हे भुरगे हांगाच residential रावतले. So this year we are making it foolproof academy. Last year we had done it on trial basis, which functioned very well. But this year we will see that ये जे भुरगे आमी दवरतात 30 तेतूंतल्यानूच आमचे गोंयचे फुडले प्लेयर निर्माण जातले. 10 आनी 2 दोगूय जाण सिलेक्शन करतात हे. आणि we have told them strictly that the selection हे म्हणटा ते परफॉर्मन्सा वयल्यान जावंक जाय म्हणून according to his ability.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Porvarim.
Owner of the trawler has demanded that ICGS Vaibhav, the Coast Guard ship, should be barred from commissioning on 11th May and the captain should be arrested. Only one body has been recovered so far and chances of fishing out other bodies is very bleak. Meanwhile, police, boat owner and CID visited Goa shipyard for inspecting the guilty Coast Guard vessel ICGS Vaibhav.
Goa Police today visited Goa shipyard for inspecting ICGS Vaibhav, the Coast Guard ship that hit a trawler, injured many and claimed life. Goa Police team comprised of SSP Brahma Singh along with SP Shekhar Prabhudesai, trawler owner and others. They had a closed-door meeting. Meanwhile, Kutbon Trawler Owners Association has confirmed a recovery of only one body. Owner of the wrecked trawler informed that the family of the deceased are on their way to Goa. Trawler Owners Association also demanded that captain of the ship should be punished and the said Coast Guard ship should be barred from commissioning on 11th May.
सांगतालो आमी CM सांगतालो आपण हेल्प करता मेल ती आज फॅमिली तेगे फॅमिली भायर सरल्या आनी ते फाल्यां पोरां पावता ते ट्रेनी बसले ते आज सकाळी भायर सरले म्हणटा मिसींग आहा ते हांवें सांगिल्लें तांकां मातशें हांव आज कितें करता सांगता कॉन्टेक्ट करता आनी तुमगे सगळी फॉर्मेलिटी पेपर वर्क सगळें घे आनी बाराबर या बाराबर.
And they have also ordered immediate inquiry into this matter. जाती तो बेगीन inquiry कर म्हूण सांगला. तेणें बोट मालती मारली तेणें बोटी मुखार वचोन बोट थांबयल्या आनी तेणें चोयलां जाल्यारय बी तो थिंगा मान्या काडपा एक मनीसपणा कांयच तेणें मांदिल्लें ना. शिप्स आर बिल्ड टू सेव पीपल का इमिडिएटली अरेस्ट करपा जावो. आजून आमकां सद्या एकू बॉडी मेळ्ळ्या आनी बॉडी मेळ्ळ्या म्हणटाले म्हण तें फॅक्ट सारको ना. आनी पड कोण पड मोदी आशिल्ले they have been like minced away with the huge force of the propellers of the boat Vaibhav. So म्हाका दिसना आनी कोण बॉडी मेळतशी म्हणून. आनी ही बोट जी आसा धोक्यार ती कमिशन जावपाक दिवपाक जायना. तेंगे 11 तारखेर तेंगे कमिशन आशिल्लें कमिशन जावपाक आशिल्ली ती बोट.
Samir Bhatt and Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent.
All Goa Hotel and Restaurant Association has demanded exemption from service tax for small restaurants. Association has decided to observe one-day total band on Monday. People will have to carry tiffin boxes on Monday as no restaurant will be open. President Gaurish Don advised the Corporation of City of Panji not to target already tax-burdened hotels in Panji for revenue generation. Delegation of the association will meet CCP on Tuesday regarding massive hike in taxes on hotels and restaurants.
आता पार्शल रेस्टॉरंट्स फक्त तुमचा बार सुद्धा नाचले आणि चाचे रेस्टॉरंट आता ल्हानसो एक रूम समजा AC आसा एअर कंडिशन्ड आसा जाल्यार ताका सुद्धा आता सर्विस टॅक्स लागू जाल्लो आसा. आमच्या एसोसिएशनान मुंबईच्या तर्फे आणि दिल्ली तर्फे वेगळे वेगळे रिप्रेझेंटेशनां केल्ली आनी हे सरकारान मानून घेवंक ना. आता अशें थारायलां की होल ओवर इंडिया एक दीस सॉलिडेट बंद दवरचो सगळीं रेस्टॉरंटां. सोमारा दीस येता तो सोमार परवां 29 एप्रिल प्रत्येक रेस्टॉरंट्स आमची चाची रेस्टॉरंट बार एंड रेस्टॉरंट्स किंवा रेस्टॉरंट फक्त जे कोणाचे रूम्स आसा तांचे रूम सर्वीस चालू आसतली. म्हणून ह्या लोकांनी आज गोंयच्या लोकांनी जे कोण कामाक येता सोमारा तांच्यांनी आपलो डबो घेवन येवचे कित्याक रेस्टॉरंटां चडशी बंद आसतली. आमी डिमांड म्हणजे सर्वीस टॅक्स बारीक हॉटेलांचेर काडून उडोवपाचो. आज AC एअर कंडिशन म्हणटा ती लग्जरी म्हणटा ती उरूंक ना. ताचे बरोबर वॅट आसा आमचो लोकल गव्हर्मेंटाचो वॅट आसा तो आसाच. तातूंत मागीर तुमी समजा बार आयले जाल्यार एक्सायज ड्युटी CCP कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ सिटी ऑफ पणजी नव्या महापौरान आतां टॅक्स खूब वाडोवन घेतला. प्रत्येक सायन बोर्डाचेर जवळ जवळ 145% वाड केल्या. तशीच गार्बेजाचेर 143% वाड केल्या. आता कितें जाल्यार मेंबराक समजा इंडिविज्युअल वचत आनी मेंबराक ते मेंबराक टार्गेट करतले कळ्ळें न्ही. म्हणून आमी आतां एसोसिएशनांत एक 4 जाणांची कमिटी वचची मेंबराची आनी तांकां रिक्वेस्ट करची बाबा तूं खंयच्या बेजीसचेर इतकें वाडयल्लें आसा वाडला तुमकां पयशांची गरज आसा तुमी डेफिसीट वता पण हॉटेलाकूच टार्गेट करनाकात. कितें जाल्यार हॉटेलाक टार्गेट करता.
Dial a number and get your LPG gas cylinder refilled. The number is easy 9420456789. Bharat Gas launched its IVRS gas cylinder booking system. It is operational 24 hours every day. This number has been introduced for consumer convenience of booking a gas cylinder. Have a look.
Now it's easy for the Bharat Gas consumers to book their gas cylinders. No worries of standing in a queue to book your cylinder. Just dial 9420456789 and get your cylinder refilled. Here is how you book your gas cylinder.
One is walking to the shop straight away. Second one is you can book via telephone. Third is we have already introduced in July 2009 an SMS system, which is a unique 5-digit as a number. We have a web booking facility where you can go to our website and book for a refill. Last July, we had introduced a missed call booking whereby a person can just give a missed call and the refill booking is registered. This is one more initiative which we have started and which is being launched today at the hands of Mr. Roland Martins. This is a unique number 9420456789. It's easy to remember. valid for the entire Goa state, Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg. So this is one number in which the customer can book a refill. The system recognizes the distributorship. Once the customer is registered on this number, the system recognizes that customer belongs to a particular distributorship. The refill booking gets transferred automatically to the distributor's package, and the distributor is able to view the demand of the customer.
In case you want to register your cell or landline number through a SMS, then type REG space distributor SAP code space consumer number, send the message to 57333 or 52725.
Since Bharat Gas now has come up with this number, I think it will benefit customers who have been waiting for a long time for this number. In the sense, they have seen that other company has got a number, why not us? And I think with this entire momentum developing for Aadhaar card and all, it will be a right step. Consumers will be able to reach out to the company. And of course, IVRS is still a new system for a lot of people in Goa. We have to create much more customer awareness about it.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.